Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Today again I have come back with a video. This time I'm going to explain to you about RMS 2023 previous year's paper. Especially I'll be looking into your English paper. Okay. So here you see all details are given. This is a common entrance exam RMS 2023. Okay. The total time given to write for this exam is 2 hours 30 minutes. So you have to calculate the time and do accordingly. Okay. So English. In this video, I'm going to explain you about English paper. Okay. So English will have how many questions? 50 questions. 50 questions carries 50 marks. So that means each question will carry 1 mark. You are very lucky that there is no negative marking in this exam. So English will carry 50 questions with 50 marks. Okay. I will explain to you how you have to a question. Okay. Many of you are in a hurry to finish your exam. That is not the way. See, you have to first adjust your timing, how much time, 2.5 hours, how you have to divide it all the four subjects. Okay, so this is RMS CET exam English. English, okay. So first question is what? Fill in the blanks. India dash everyone to do is her duty. So India expects. All others are different meaning. So India expects everyone. So you have to read all the options. You have to read all the options. Okay. Then only you have to go for the answer. Otherwise, in hurry, what you will do, you will see accept, expert, all say. So you have to very carefully read the question. That is the first point. Okay. Then the second question is giving is the thief will confess his guilt soon. What he has asked, choose the option which can replace the word in block letters in the following sentence. So he is asking the meaning of confess here. Block letter means capital letter. Okay, so he's asking only the meaning. The sentence is big, but you have to give the meaning of confess. So confess means what? Deny is meant to refuse. Refuse is refuse. So admit. The thief admits that what he has done. So like that, if you read all the four options, 1 2 times also if you read, you get the idea which is the right option. Then again, one more direction is given. Whenever direction is given, read the whole sentence. Choose the correct option to fill the following. They were angry with dash for the silly mistakes. Here is asking fill in the blanks. So what is asking? They were angry with. So they were angry with dash for the silly mistake. There means themselves. So they were angry with themselves. Okay, for the silly mistakes. Now again fourth one again he has given what fill in the blanks only. So he has dash knowledge of the language. So not language lot is not fitting with knowledge. Many language knowledge cannot be there. Few also is not possible. So little little is possible. So he has little knowledge. He has little knowledge about of the language. Like this, you have to read the question carefully and then only you have to attempt the answer. Remember that. Many students I observed who go very fast in doing things. They think overconfidence always is not good. Again, fill in the blanks. Please be quiet. I dash. Am working, was working, have worked, had worked. So these three are in past tense. Okay. Was comes under past tense. So all the B's here past tense. Here it is in present is asking. So please be quiet. I am working. That is the right option. Dash can also be called exclamatory sentences. Now you should know first what is exclamatory sentence. Then first only comes in the end of a sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here dash can be called. So exclamations only can be called exclamatory sentence. Without exclamations, you cannot have an exclamatory sentence. Like for interrogative sentence, that should be a question mark. Okay, for declarative sentence, you should be declaring something. So like that, this is exclamatory sentence should have an exclamation. Okay. Speaker will be coming dash car. Now some speaker is coming dash car. Some car you cannot know from is a place. In car, no. Over you cannot sit over the car and come. So speaker will be coming by the car. By car. Okay. The classes will be held dash Monday. So the classes will be held when it will be held. Over, not possible because over means it is crossing it. At, in are also not suiting here. So on Monday is the right option. The ninth one. Have you seen dash 1 rupee note? So all because the and a none of this. So have you seen even though O is a vowel, but it is pronounced like wow. Okay, one. So that's why A. Many people of you will confuse the moment you see here a oval word starting, you will immediately go for and. So that is not the case. Okay. So that is not the case. You have to pronounce it one wow, wow will come, you see. So that's why A option is the right option here. Have you seen a 1 rupee note? Now here again direction you see. Actually, when you see the direction, it looks a very big question. The question will be actually very small. Choose the word which is opposite in the meaning of the word in block letters. Actually, what is asking is opposite of polite. He is directly not asking you opposite of polite. He is making you to read all this, whereby you will think that it is a very big sentence. So only she is known for her polite nature. So what is asking block letters is that. So polite word only is asking polite words. Opposite is asking. So what is polite? Opposite of polite. Rough means smooth. Coarse also coarse is like rough. Refined means something you refine, purify. So polite is rude. Rude means when you don't behave properly, when you are not talking in a humble way. So that is rude. So polite opposite will be rude. Now directly as asked. Here he did not ask directly, gave a sentence. Then he asked you to see the block letter. Okay. Here synonym of wow. You want something. Resolution also you can call. You resolve something during especially during New Year's. So wow means lied cannot be stated. Stated means something you told. Steered means something you moved. Lied means some lie you told. So promised. So synonym of word will be promised. Hope all these words you must be learning. Main is meaning and opposite you should know. Because one meaning will have different meanings, different words like admire. It can be praise, it can be adore. Okay. So like it, you should know for one word, three other words. Then only it will be useful for you. If you just mug up on one word only, in the option, supposing you read admire, praise. The praise is not there, adore is there. You will think there is no option. So that's why always, whenever you are reading, learning meanings and opposites, learn more than one or three meanings, opposites. Because any word they may put to confuse you, they may put any other word, which will be meaning the same or giving the same opposite. You will not be knowing. Now, my friend, dash is purse last night. Now, last night is what? It is past tense. Ready? Past. So, what you should put losers is not possible because it is present. Lose is present. Is losing means future. So, what he has told, my friend, dash is purse last night. Always remember, you should just know, you should know whether it is in present tense, past tense, or future tense. Then only you can choose the right option. So, here, my friend lost. Lost is a past word. Okay, lost is a password. So that's why password. That's why my friend lost his purse last night. Then what is there? The kid is learning to play dash violin. The kid is learning to play violin is what? Violin is a musical instrument. Very good. So A A violin it is not correct, and violin also will not come because it is a proper noun. Violin is a proper noun. So whenever a proper noun comes, you have to use always article the because article the only is indicator for a proper thing. The Taj Mahal, the Ganges, okay, the Qutub Minar, the Char Minar, like that. When you're telling particularly about a musical instrument, violin, it becomes a proper noun. So that's why this we are using. Okay. Now 14C again he has given. Here it is a jumbled sentence. Jumbled sentence also you have to two, three times to read the sentence. Okay, then you will come to know which is the correct sentence. Now, here are the following words, phrases to make a meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence. Ship is A, violently is B, the is C, the storm is D, robbed is C. So, how you have to know? You have to read the first. It should start with the the ship, the ship, the storm. First D will come. The storm. Then E will come robbed. Robbed means it shook very badly because of storm in sea many times. Hope many of you will not have traveled by ship. But when you ask them, those who travel by ship, in between when storm comes, the ship will be shaking very badly. So that's what the storm robbed the ship violently. So D, E, C, A, B. D, E, C, A, B. So option D is right. Okay, if you are not able to understand, you can write it in rough paper. You can divide all the words separately. You write, and you can easily make the sentence. If you write, supposing your ABCD is given, if you write ship first, violently next, then the next, then the storm, then robbed. If in a sequence, if you write, then you can easily make out the correct sentence. Okay, this is also a very good way to find out the jumbled sentence and make it a proper sentence. Okay, if you follow that, it will be beneficial for you. Then again, direction is given. So many of the questions, if you observe, directions are given. Why they give direction? So that the student always reads the full caption, okay? The full sentence. Supposing he give the opposite, then it is of no use. So rearrange the following words, phrases to make a meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence. Again, he has given a jumbled sentence. Here again, you have to read at were not school they yesterday. So you have to first understand the pronoun the they because school were not school yesterday. So that's why they pronoun should come first. They means so many more than one. So they when were not. Okay, they were not at school yesterday. So what came? They D were not B at A, then school C, yesterday E. This also I'm telling you write one by one. If you're not able to understand English properly or not able to read it, if you're not able to find out the right sentence here, you write it in a rough book. When sentence exam also rough paper will be there with you. You write it one by one in a sequence. Then you can easily make the correct sentence here. Okay, that is the best way to make jumbled sentence into a proper sentence. Because like this, many students they get confused. So that's why always try to make it. That is the best way. If you write separately each word, then you try to read it and make it. You will get the proper sentence easily. Now here he is asking you have to replace the word in block letters in the following sentences. What is block letter word here? Forgive. Okay. So he has not given whether you write the opposite or the meaning. That he has not mentioned. The word replaced means what? Meaning. Same meaning, but different word. So here, see how confusing they are. Many students I know will be confused what they have asked. And you will stand up and ask an invigilator also, I know. That, sir, what we are trying, whether opposite or meaning. But you should understand. Replacing a word means replacing it with the same meaning. Same word will be different, meaning should be same. That you have to understand. So here, please forgive me. So forgive is told. So forgive means what? Convict is if you are if your crime is proved against you, you are a convict. Justify means if you want to tell something and that is true, you want to prove that. That is also not goes with forgive. Blame is if you want to complain about others or blame others. Forgive is a totally different word. So pardon. Pardon and forgive are the one and the same words. Okay, so like that you have to just always try to read all the options. Don't be in a hurry to just pick any option. In that only many students they make it, they go wrong. Okay. There is no hurry. You can take your time and make. But first you have to adjust your timings according to the paper. First, attempt the easy questions. Then go for the question that you are finding it difficult. Then what is there? Here it is asking about idiom. Okay. He is asking about idiom. So what are idioms? A word for one word, one phrase. A nimble as squirrel. So in this, what he has given? He has given idiom, but he has not asked the meaning of the idiom. He has asked which idiom is correctly matched. Okay. A nimble as thumb, it should be, it is squirrel. So as easy as needle. That is also not the correct one. As innocent as babies are always innocent. So that is also not correct. As cold as snow. Snow will be cold only. So that doesn't match with the idiom. So a nimble as squirrel. Okay, that is the right option here. So normally what they ask is what is the meaning of the idiom? But here what they've asked correctly matched. It is little confusing. As some of students, it will be confusing because normally you will be expecting that they will ask the meaning of the idiom. So you have to remember each and every idiom very correctly so that you can from this question correctly matched idiom. Okay. Now synonym of delectable. Delectable is a word that has come out from delicious word. Okay, that is very simple if you know proper English. Delectable word came from delicious word only. So it is confusing. What is asking? Synonym. Synonym means meaning. Confusing, angry, delicious, smelly. So all these three options are totally opposite to delectable. So that's why delicious is the right option because as I told, delectable word itself has come out from delicious word. Okay. Now the mother dash food for us every day. Now mother dash food for that is a present continuous thing. So is cooking. Now mother is cooking food now. That is different. So every day cannot come. Has cooked, it is past. It is past. Okay, has cooked the food. Now the mother cook cannot be. Cook is a person. We call it person. Okay, the person who cooks is called a cook. So other word for cook is chef. Other word for cook is chef. That also remember. So cooks food for us every day. Cooks is the right answer. Like that, if you check all the options, you will be. It will very easy for you to get the right answer. Now here, what he has given, pick out the nearest correct meaning or synonym of advice. So advice, he is asking. Council is there. Council is group of members, those who are working together. Okay, that is not the right answer. Practice is if you practice something that also doesn't go with advice. Proposal is when you propose something. Supposing you want to do something, you propose it. So that also doesn't go with that. So counsel is the right answer. Counseling, you must have heard counseling word. Counseling is nothing but advising. Then the correct spelling is asking. If appreciation. So appreciation, S will not come to this, becomes wrong. Appreciation, CSN. So C is also here what it is? Appreciation. So what is missing here? P is missing. So again, this also becomes wrong. So this is the APPRECIATION. So appreciation is the right answer. Option B is the right one. Now again, correct option. The terrorist dashed dead by the cop. The terrorist dashed dead by the cop. When you will call this word dead? Shot dead. Yeah, very commonly used, but the terrorist was shot dead by the cop. So the terrorist was shot dead by the cop. It is very simple one because in general everyday news also you can hear this word. The terrorist was shot dead by the cop. Mr. Chatterjee wants to be. Now you see this is what MLA. This is short form. Okay, member of Legislative Assembly. So whenever a short form comes, HL, HFT, MLA, MP, only should be used. Article and only should be used there. That is the rule of English grammar. Remember that. Now fill in the blanks with correct pronouns from the option given below. Now for that First, you should know what is a pronoun. Hmm? So, from the option given below, what is that they were angry with? They asked for their silly mistake. I think this question again has come, so they were angry with themselves. Themselves. Okay. Then again, he has given jumbled sentence. Already, how many jumbled sentences are two sentences out of the in these 25 questions? Already two jumbled sentences have come. Now, again, one more he has given. For tigers and natural, it is home protected. Okay, so see, home, it is home protected in natural tigers. Okay, for tigers, it is home protected for natural tigers. So, like I already told you how to write one sentence. Write separately in your book. Each word you write separately. Then you try to find out. You'll get the right option very clearly. So, out of the 50 questions in this today, I have discussed 25 questions of them. Okay, so more 25 will follow in my next video very soon. Okay, for that time, I think it was very beneficial and hope you understood how to attempt the English paper. So, most important is learn meanings, learn synonyms, idioms. You saw how we gave in confused way he gave. He asked which is the right match. He is asking you to match the idiom, rightly matched idiom. Okay, so like that, you have to be very careful, learn the idioms also, and whenever you are attempt all the options you have to read properly, and then you should go for the right option. Okay. In my next video, again, I will continue with the next 25 questions. Till that time, hope it is beneficial for you. Wish you all the best for your RMS exam, which is coming next month. Okay. Thank you.